Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M53 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, just go into Play Store and download your new food app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini Browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to install and choose Home button. Now you need to click on Settings, scroll down and choose Apps section over here somewhere, over here. Then click on Choose the Food Apps and tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, click on Opera Mini to set it up and simply go back. As you can see after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!